All right, sorry, sixth grade. Video malfunction, and we were also a little bit confused here about 326 is no less than 4 times the number y. Sometimes my brain is thinking about different things than my words are actually saying. So I apologize for that, but here's just a short video to follow up here. 326 is no less than 4 times the number y, meaning that 326 is not going to be less than 4 times. It's no less, which actually means we had that symbol going the wrong way before. Some of you probably caught that, and that's my mistake. So 326 has to be greater than or equal to 4y, okay? It is no less than 4 times a number y, okay? Which means that it's greater than or it's equal to 4y. So I'm looking at 4y and 326. Now to isolate the y, I've got to divide both sides by 4. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do, let's get a little more space here. Let's just come right in here and let's do 326 and let's divide that by 4. Well, I know 4 can't go into 3, but it can go into 32 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. You bring the 6 down. 4 can go into 6 once. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now, we are not going to say that this is 81 remainder 2. Okay? Sixth graders, you should know that in this situation, we're going to add a decimal 0. We're going to bring the decimal straight up. Okay? We're going to bring this 0 down and make that 20. 4 can go into 20 5 times. And I know that there's none left over because 4 times 5 is 20. All right, so I get that in this situation, y is going to equal 81.5. Now, let's bring back over our other thing. We now know that y equals 81.5. We now know that. Okay? So, with y equaling 81.5, we know that the graph is going to start at 81.5. We also know that since it's greater than or equal to what 326 is, it's going to be a shaded circle because y can actually equal 81.5. Now, don't get confused because the 4y is on this side. Most of the time we put the variable over here. Don't let that confuse you, okay? 4y is on the smaller side of the inequality because the arrow is pointing to it. The mouth is closed, so this is the smaller side. So even though it's on the right side of the inequality, my number line actually will need to go left because it's on the smaller side of the inequality, which means I'm going to have 81.5, and this time let's just go ahead 81.4, 81.3, 81.2, 81.1. And that is graphing inequalities. My apologies for the confusion on the last problem, but we got the second video to make sure we're all squared away. All right, talk to you later. Bye.